Downtown Crypto Street. It's just after sunrise, and the screens at the digital cafe flicker to life with bright green and red candles. Traders clutch their coffee mugs like life rafts, eyes glued to one name: Kaspa. At 0.092 this morning, Kaspa isn't exactly making champagne corks pop, but it also isn't drowning in the Red Sea of altcoin misery. "It's like that quiet kid in class," says one cafe regular. "You don't notice them until exam results come out and they top the board." From the underground to the headlines, Kaspa's story reads like a rebel's diary. Launched without the flashy ICO fanfare, no billionaire hype tweets, no token pre-sales for friends and family. Just miners, a novel technology called blockDAG, and a dream to make blockchain faster and cleaner. If Bitcoin is a slow postman on a bicycle, Kaspa is the courier on a turbo scooter. It confirms multiple blocks in parallel, meaning fewer traffic jams on the network. The tech nerds call it a blockDAG. The rest of us call it, finally, a crypto that doesn't move like molasses. The price whispers in the alleyways. Here's where the crystal balls come out. Some analysts, like the ones at CoinCodex, keep it conservative. They whisper about Kaspa staying between War 062 and War 092 this year. That's basically same rent, same bills territory. Nothing dramatic, but safe enough to sleep at night. Changely pours a bit more sugar in your tea, hinting Kaspa could kiss $0.098 before year end. Not enough to buy a yacht, but maybe a bigger coffee. Then there's Telegram, the market's dreamers. They talk about 0.112 at the low end and a wild 0.6 dive if Kaspa pulls off a miracle. That's the prediction equivalent of saying your neighbor's garage band might win a Grammy. The long game, 2030 and beyond. If you skip the short-term jitters and peek further down the road, the maps look more adventurous. Crypto News paints a future where Kaspa could be worth 0.86 by 2030, a price that would turn today's patient holders into tomorrow's smug storytellers. Investing Haven, clearly in a romantic mood, imagines 144. That's not just fireworks, that's the New Year's Eve show over Sydney Harbour. And somewhere in the back, Kraken runs a modest math model and predicts 0.12. The equivalent of your grandma saying, "Don't get carried away, dear." Street reactions. Over at the Kaspa Corner subreddit, one user types, "I predict one Kaspa will be worth exactly one Kaspa in 2030. The comment gets 400 upvotes, proving that in crypto, you need both data and a sense of humor. So, what's the move? The smart money isn't betting the farm. Short term, Kaspa looks comfy, between 0.08 and 0.10. Mid-term, there's hope for 0.15 to 0.25 if adoption grows and the crypto market doesn't catch another cold. Long-term, that's where the debates get loud, from modest 0.25 expectations to the bold 1.44 dream. For now, the digital cafe crowd keeps their mugs full, their tabs open, and their eyes on Kaspa's chart. Because in this town, even the quiet kids have been known to surprise everyone.